This is an Airsoft is Now session production. Whoa!
Ba 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 da ba 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 ba.
This is Adam with his new M14.
It's bleeding now.
And here is the safety on it. It goes like that. And he's showing Josh how the safety works.
Yeah.
And he's pointing in the woods out there going, here, it's on safety, dink, dink. And then he turns and points at Josh and fires and hits him in the neck about 2 feet away. And that was funny, except for he's probably not laughing.
Ba 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 da ba da ba ba da ba da ba ba da ba.
It's David? Cover me up there. They got a two shot up. Where is he? He's right behind the tree. You just cover the blue barrier for me.
I want you to cover up there. Right up there.
I got a shot. That's clean. I can't shoot him with a pistol. He's not hitting.
Well, you better find him, shouldn't you?
I hate this move back too. I can't shoot him up there.
Hey, camera. Come on. Oh.
That's great, because I'm almost out of ammo.
What about your M14?
Empty. I surrender, I'm out of ammo.
What? That's bullcrap. You can't surrender.
Fine then.
Fight to the death
Alright.
for Japan. You gotta have that samurai mentality.
Nope, not yet. I ain't going down without a fight. Let's see if I can get that sound off. Oh, it's a full trap.
Oh, hit! Hit you in the face.
Ba 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 da ba 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 ba.